Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a beginner-friendly tutorial on how I lay my baby hairs. I'll be taking you guys through a two-step process. One that I consider is the beginner version. That one is very easy, it doesn't involve many steps. Versus the second one, which is an intermediate look. It's basically what I have going on right now. It's very much like the beginner one. The only difference is it involves like maybe 2-3 extra steps, okay? So stay tuned because in this video, all you'll be needing is a gel, a toothbrush, and that is all. So stay tuned because we're getting right into this video. So first things first, I go ahead, I get my toothbrush, I get the gel. The gel that I like to use is Eco Styler. I get the big jar just because I use this gel for everything. My baby hairs, my sleek hairstyles, all of that. I need to go ahead and stock up. So I go ahead and use my toothbrush and I tap it in. I don't dip it, nor do I scoop any gel because for your edges or baby hairs, you do not want to use too much gel because it will definitely, I'm gonna be honest, like it can damage them if you use too much, I think so, or you can even get some buildup in it. So I like to start off with my right side. I don't know if you guys can tell, but looking at my hairline, it's not straight, okay? There are hairs that I have in place where they already want to do their own swoosh. So that's what you gotta keep in mind. Look for your baby hairs that already are starting to form on their own, but they're not laid yet, okay? So again, I start off with my right side and I usually go ahead and start off with the top. Okay, so to perfect it, I get a little bit more gel. I use my finger, usually it's my middle finger. And my finger basically helps me with my swoop. So then I go ahead and I do the same for the rest, okay? So when I said that this is what I noticed majority girls do, my explanation, it might be a little off. You might understand it, you might not, but I noticed they usually have 3 baby hairs here, 3 baby hairs here. So that's what I want you guys to go ahead and do. So next, you have your first one. You want to see where would the second one go. For me, I can already see there's like a swoop that wants to happen here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swoop it. Okay, so now that I have both of these laid, I look for my last one. Remember, it's 3 on each side. You can do as many as you want, but this is, like I said, it's just what I notice majority girls do. So to start off, I feel like this is perfect for beginners. And then this would be the last one right here. Okay, so now I am done with both my right side as well as my left side. So the last step that I notice everyone does, which I also do, is they go ahead and they do one swoop right here. So you want to go ahead and finish this baby hair look off with just the one swoop. So once you are done getting all your... My dog's always barking. Okay, anyways, so once you're done getting all your baby hairs in place, go ahead and just perfect them. Go over them, go with whatever you think you need left. Alright y'all, so this is basically the result of what I consider is the beginner look. So what I'm going to go ahead and show you guys up next is what I would call the intermediate look. Really though, it's just a remix of what we already have going on. It just adds a little spice to it. So stay tuned because this is not right side. I like to start off at the top this time. And instead of using just one, I like to do 2 swoops. Okay, so once you get to the last one right here on your right side, instead of bringing the baby hair in, you're gonna bring it out, okay? Okay, so now for the left side, we're gonna follow the same exact swoop and do it for the one at top. Alright, so this is the result of the intermediate look. Even though I don't really like calling it intermediate just because I feel like it's still very beginner-like. It's more, like I mentioned earlier, beginner remix with a little spice to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Remember to go ahead, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in my next video.